Texas Southmost College would like to thank the Collision Repair Education Foundation for awarding our auto body repair technology program $25,000 in October of 2018. With these funds, our program has been able to invest in equipment necessary to help us move up to Tier 2 status and work toward our goal of obtaining NATEF accreditation. This is just the beginning. Enrollment has increased. Our student body is diverse, ranging from high school dual enrollment students to college students of all ages. And the demand for technicians in our area is high. TSC is applying for the Benchmark Grant again this year, so we may invest in equipment that is aligned with Skills USA and help recognize and empower our students so they may contribute to our nation's skilled workforce.
Start off, I want to graduate high school and I plan to come here to TSC. My parents do feel proud of me and I'm gonna be the first one to come to college here too. I mean, I would love to do this as a career. It's a lot of work, but I mean, it's worth it.
Our enrollment here at the college has definitely increased. We are experiencing classrooms that have more than doubled in size. This semester, there's been a lot of good projects for the students to work on to learn the standard operating procedures for the plastic repair process with two-part materials. They have been working on projects that require them to do a good amount of body work, which is good for them to learn the mixing and application of the body filler, primer, the application of their top coats. Soon after that, they do detailing, so they get to cut and buff. It's important for us to obtain the tools on the Tier 1 list so we can move towards the NATEF accreditation. Our students will benefit from this accreditation as far as receiving donations, whether it be materials or newer model vehicles, so they're more familiar with the technology implemented in today's modes of transportation.
TSC me está ayudando en seguir mi sueño. Le doy gracias a los maestros lo que me han enseñado, porque me ayuda en mi futuro.
We'd like to thank the Collision Repair Education Foundation for awarding us this past year and taking us into consideration this year. The funds and donations that you have provided Texas Southmost College have greatly impacted our students and program, and we would like to thank you.